Hey everyone, welcome back to Yellow Daisy. So today I thought I'd bring you along with me as I do some cleaning, decluttering, and undecorate from Halloween. I hope that this gives you some cleaning motivation as I take you along with me. And as I'm cleaning, you'll notice that I'm leaving my fall decor up. I normally don't decorate until after Thanksgiving for the holidays. When do you guys start decorating for the holidays? Do you start now or after Thanksgiving? Leave me a comment below. I'd love to know when you guys are going to start decorating for the holidays. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here as part of our family at Yellow Daisy. Also, give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the notification bell that's below so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's go on and get cleaning, decluttering, and undecorating. I thought it'd be neat if I showed you our Halloween decorations. I don't do a whole lot, but I do like little pieces of the Halloween decor in each of the main rooms in our house. So I tried an experiment with our jack-o'-lanterns. This one I used Vaseline after we carved it, and this one I did not. And the Vaseline worked in preserving the pumpkin. So now the undecorating of Halloween starts. I use this empty bin just to corral everything so that I could take it upstairs into the actual Halloween bins. And here are my Halloween bins, and this is the perfect time to go through everything that you have for that season. See items that you did not use for this year or possibly have not used in a couple years. That way you know what you can go on and either donate or throw away. And as you can see, I did empty out that one bin and I did not fill it back up. So I was able to get all of my items in that one bin and then in the one decorating bin that you'll see in a little bit. So that made me really excited to be able to get rid of one of the bins. Oh my gosh, guys, I have found the perfect fall blend. This is bergamot, orange, and clove, and oh my gosh, I wish you could smell my house. It smells so good. I'll leave a link in the description box below in case you would like to get you some oils and start diffusing a fall blend. Okay, so now on to a little bit of decluttering. I just needed to straighten up my pantry a little bit. It's just kind of gotten a little crazy. So that's what I'm doing here. And guys, I'm sorry for having my back to you the whole time on this. It's just there's no really easy way to record this. So I apologize for that. But I hope you do enjoy me decluttering the pantry. And this is all the mess that I took out of the pantry. This is like a miscellaneous cabinet in my kitchen. It has like mason jars, it has baking, cookie cutters, Tupperware containers, things like that. And it just gets so messed up so quick. So basically I'm just kind of like going through this, seeing what I am using and getting rid of the items that I'm not using any longer. And then I tackled our refrigerator. Just like the pantry, I find that it just kind of gets a little disorganized and it collects things that needs to be cleaned out. So that's what I did next. And when I'm cleaning out the refrigerator, I like to take everything out, check the expiration dates, and then I like to wipe down the inside of my refrigerator, and I use Dawn vinegar and a little bit of water in a spray bottle and just kind of squirt it in there and wipe it right down. And then on the door is where we usually keep all of our condiments and like pickles, relishes, that type of thing. So I check the expiration on these items as well, and then I will wipe everything down. And then here's my cleaned out refrigerator. It is the day before I go shopping, so it's also a good time to go through your refrigerator and make sure that you have gotten rid of everything. That way you know what you need to pick up at the grocery store. Earlier when I started cleaning, I had sprinkled some baking soda on the area rug and on our furniture. Our kids have dogs and they come over sometimes, and I just kind of wanted to absorb some of that pet odor. And the baking soda is an all natural, and it really does seem to help with that. Okay, friends, I hope that motivated you, and I want to thank you so much for stopping by today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, bye-bye.